Hello.
Hello.
We are off to the beach today. We're gonna have a fun little beach day, and then we are going to go walk around. There's supposed to be a car show downtown today, and then we're just gonna get some drinks and some food and just have ourselves a chill, fun, relaxed summer day. And I'm gonna bring you guys along because it's gonna be a gorgeous day, and yeah. So we made it to the beach. We're just sunbathing. We brought a lot of food. Dylan.
I might blind the audience.
Dylan's got to work on his tan. Just like all of us, we are just chilling. Nothing crazy happening right now, but we found a pretty clutch spot and enjoying the day. It's pretty windy, but it feels good.
Next update, I'll be jumping in the water.
Oh yeah, Dylan plans on getting in the water soon. It's pretty cold. I didn't feel it, but Dylan said it's cold. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get in though.
Yeah.
Dylan says he wants to be in the vlogs more.
Feels good. Nice warm 68 degrees.
So for our snacks, we got some Cheez-Its, and then the, what are those? Hawaiian sweet Maui onion chips. And then we also got cheese crackers.
Uh-oh. One in. You can do it. Here we go. Here comes the dive. Nah, I doubt she dives. He really wants me to stop filming. Okay, I stopped.
We are done with the beach. Now we're going off to
Walk around town.
And there's a car show, so we're gonna show the car show. We had a few drinks, so we're a little
A lot of protein shakes. Like
a lot of protein shakes.
But let's see if there's any really cool Broncos down here.
Yeah, Dylan loves the Bronx.
So I'm hoping there's some cool ones.
Yeah, did a whole outfit change. Not Dylan,
Not
he
me.
just put a shirt on, but
Same.
yeah. Like I said, had a few protein shakes, so we're a little tips, but having a great time.
40 years ago, and the only time we get them is when somebody...
We're gonna buy this one for $56,000.
They're bidding cars.
The last car went for $4,000. Not that much.
That much money.
The other one was just a normal like BMW. But this is a 1936 Ford, I think it said W2. This thing is clean.
Steve, I bought one of these and...
We found a Bronco, ladies and gentlemen. Days
I
made.
saw a Bronco, my day's made. This is custom John Deere, the manure spreader.
What? You like what you see?
I like what I'm seeing.